Our 2015 Chevy Silverado 3500 HD. This is a Duramax truck, 4-wheel drive, LT. Now this truck is a salvage title, although I'm not exactly sure why. We didn't have to repaint, replace, or touch any body panel anywhere on this truck. Super nice, very clean. Guess I should show you under the hood here while we got it open. Again, not one body panel was touched. You know, I guess if I have to guess, I'm assuming it's a theft recovery. There's absolutely no evidence whatsoever of it being a flood. You know, we've pulled the fuse block covers and, you know, we've looked under the carpet and whatnot just to make sure there's no issues or, you know, any funky thing. There's no funny smells in here whatsoever. That's just a ratchet strap we've been using the truck. I think we put, if I remember correctly, we put about 3,000 or 4,000 miles on this truck since we've got it. The tires are all really good condition. About the only flaw I see in the truck is there's just a couple little scratches right here. Spray and bed liner, gooseneck hitch ball. Truck is a little dirty, as I say. We've been using this truck almost daily, just kind of running around, hauling some parts around for us and whatnot. Go ahead and shut it off and open my door just so you can see a fresh restart. We do have 2 keys for the truck, and we have an extra door key only, so like for a hide key or something like that. I'll keep my hand here so you know I'm not trying to clear anything on you. You can see there's no idiot lights on whatsoever. Everything works great. There's currently 19,986 miles on the truck. Go ahead and put my seatbelt on. We do have heated seats, adjustable pedals, traction controls, your rear bed lights, park assist sensors, your exhaust brake, of course heated seats, both sides, all your automatic climate controls. Here, all your cruise buttons, trailer brake, 4-wheel drive, really any option you would like. This is a double cab truck. So, looks like we do not have an owner's manual for it. I do know there's storage here underneath this as well. Kind of see down in there. Let's take you out for a little drive. Kick her down kind of hard, so you know the turbo is working really hard. You're not seeing any check engine lights at all. She accelerates pretty good. As I was saying, if you heard me well in the beginning of the video, like I said, there was absolutely 100% no accident damage on this truck whatsoever. Absolutely nothing was painted. There was no suspension damage. I can't really tell you what the deal is on it. As you see, the truck is exactly how we got it. We just got it with less miles. There's kind of been some speculation going around about what happened. I've heard a couple of stories in the past, and now I've heard a new one, so I don't know really what the story is on it. We've looked at the service history on it with GM. The service history is clean, there's no issues there, so it's not like it's a lemon law truck or anything like that. It sounds like to me that it was some sort of a comp claim, you know, stolen, something along those lines, some fraud thing or something. I'm not sure. Go ahead and turn around here. You know, brakes are solid. There's absolutely no hiccups whatsoever in the drivetrain or engine, transmission. Nothing shifts funny or goofy. Drives just like a brand new truck. And again, I'll kick it down. See in the mirror, it's not blowing any smoke out the back or anything like that. Go ahead, turn the cruise on and set the cruise. You can see we're on a straight stretch of road. And right there, I'll let go of the steering wheel. My hand's here. Not touching the steering wheel whatsoever. Not with my knees. My other one's obviously pulling our camera. And we're still going straight down the road. There's no issues there whatsoever. See here in our gauges, we're up to operating temp. You can fly in and pick you up at the airport. You're more than welcome to drive this truck all the way home, or we can help you arrange shipping. Shipping to Texas or somewhere in that range is generally around $600 to $800. It's generally probably around $400 around here in the Midwest, and the coastal areas can tend to be about $1,000 thereabouts. Of course, if you get up into the no man's land, you know, like Maine or some parts of Washington, it can be a little bit more expensive. But we can help you assist any kind of shipping you would like, pick you up at the airport, or you just may drive here yourself and pick up the truck right from here. So however you'd like to do it, let us know and we'll try to assist in any way that we can. Thank you very much, and you have yourself a good day. Oh, I'll do one more thing here just so you know. I'll put her in neutral and I'll shift into 4-wheel drive. And actually I'll go into 4 low. 4 high you're not really going to notice on a video. But here I'm in 4 low, put it in drive, and you can see it. I've got to get quite a bit more RPM to get going the speed that we're going. 4 low does work, 4 high works, everything works. And I'll go ahead and shift out. And there we go. Traction control, everything came back on because now we're in 2 high. Go in reverse, and we do have a backup camera. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to email us. Thank you.